So what's up, guys? I just basically had the craziest phone call ever. Oh my gosh. I'm still in unbelief right now as to what happened, but yeah. Please watch it till the end. If you watch it till the end, you're a real one, because I will be doing another follow-up video to this video. And yeah, please do all the good stuff for me, please. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like content in general, please consider subscribing to the channel. Alright guys, I'll just leave it there, and oh, this is crazy. Just watch, guys, just watch. Alright bro. So I am recording as requested.
You recording?
Yeah bro. Wait. Before I continue, I just want to introduce everyone to like you and stuff. So, what's up, guys? So this is Oscar. He told me to record this. I don't know why he told me to record this.
Yeah.
This is so weird, man. Like, I don't know. So, hey, let us know who you are, Oscar.
Yeah. So my name's Oscar. I've been pretty big fan of Mark's channel, KIXPLORE, for a while.
Oh, thanks, man.
And I thought I'd reach out. I hope he's recording. Are you recording?
Yeah, bro, I'm recording, bro.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure I'm recording.
I didn't want to sound too weird, but I just DM'd him the other week and said, I got a video idea. You need to give me a call. And yeah, so I hope you're recording because I got something that I want to put your way.
Okay.
And hopefully it ends up making your YouTube channel.
All right. Well, let's have a look, bro. I don't know what you're talking about, but
all right.
Okay.
So, like, you review sneakers and stuff, yeah?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. So I got two things for you. It's going to be like a mystery box, you know?
Yeah.
You can choose either a mystery box or something that you'll know, which is going to be, you know, it's one of those videos, right? That's what I'm
okay.
pitching.
All right. Let's see how it goes there. Okay.
So here we go. I got mystery box here.
Okay.
And in this parcel or this envelope, there's some cash.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you how much yet.
All right.
But you can only choose one. And whatever you choose, if you choose a mystery box, I'll have to post it to you. If you choose the cash, I can...
Wait. What? Why are you doing this, man? I don't... you don't have to do this, bro. It's okay, bro. You don't have to... Like, if you want to show support, all you gotta say, you know, you just like my videos and stuff. You don't have to give me anything. I don't understand why you're doing this, bro.
I watch your videos and keep it real. Like, there's not much of this in Australia, which is kind of unfortunate because that's where I live, Sydney, like New South Wales. And it's hard to find, you know, the sneaker shops, you know, where to get things, what to buy, what the release dates are, what websites.
Yeah.
And when I found your channel, I've been sticking with it. And
thanks, man.
yeah, I just think it's good. So I think I got a mystery box here. I've got some cash, and hopefully, I don't know. You could take the risk and decide not to put this on YouTube. It ends up in the bin,
Okay.
Or if you choose it, you know, I'll send it your way, or I'll wire you the cash.
I'm still really confused and okay, but wait. Are you sure about this? You don't have to do this, man.
Well, put it this way: the mystery box didn't cost me too much.
Okay.
I'll give you a couple of clues. I won a retail raffle, so I paid the retail price.
All right.
And the cash is just to sort of make the video. You know what I mean? Like, it's cash. I actually worked for it. But
okay.
it's
That's
cash,
another thing, bro. Bro, you work hard for that money. Are you sure? Like, I can't be just taking people's money, kind of thing. You know?
Yeah, that's when you choose a mystery box. I keep my money, or vice versa.
Oh man. Okay. All right. Well, am I allowed to know what's like a clue what's in the mystery box or anything like that?
I'll put it this way. How much do you think is in here? How much would you prefer to be in here?
I don't know. There could be like maybe $100 or something, I reckon.
Okay, so without showing you, would you choose the mystery box or $100?
Nah, well, definitely the mystery box, man. I'm gonna have to say the mystery box, bro.
All right. What about $250?
Oh. Wait, do I have? No, I'm still gonna go for the mystery box, man. No, definitely, man.
I got 500 in here.
500.
500.
Okay.
Choose. It's going to be hard to get out with one hand. You can choose 500.
Yeah.
Or the mystery box.
Bro, what the heck, man?
That's it. That's the actual limit in there. Is $500 or the mystery box.
Bro, I don't know what to say, man. I don't. I'm just.
But once you choose, that's it. You can't message me after when you stop recording and be like, "Oh, bro, can you swap it?" No, that's off.
Bro, I'm telling you, I did not expect anything like this, man. Do I get like some sort of time to think about this or whatever,
no,
man?
That's it. You have to choose. That's
this guy, man.
You need to record when you FaceTime.
Oh.
You can realistically, if you wanted to choose this, I would want you to buy a sneaker, right? Go buy something to review on your channel. That's the whole point. If you choose this, another clue is you'll probably be able to review it already because it's a retail raffle win.
Okay.
So it's shoes or Casper shoes. It's up to you. $500, man. That can get you a lot of shoes.
Yeah, I know, man. Definitely at least 2 or something, man. Like 2 retail kind of board. I don't know, but I don't know. I could get it's pretty high. Oh no, but what's inside the box, man? I don't know. Give me some more information about the box, man. Come on, man. You gotta.
Okay, it's not any of those that I've got on the shelf. So I've got Jordan 1s and like 2 silhouettes of Yeezys.
Okay.
It's none of that.
Yeah.
It's not any Jordan, essentially. So it's not a Jordan 4, it's not a Jordan 12, it's not a Jordan 1.
Serious? Oh, that kind of...
But...
Really? I don't know, man. Oh, the cash looks... Oh.
The only reason I'm getting rid of this is it's cool, man. I'll give you that, right? It's cool. It was a recent raffle win, and it was retail cost. If I paid resale, or I wouldn't pay resale for it, right?
Yeah.
Because it's not worth it, in my opinion. But it's just not my style. I don't wear these type of shoes. It's just too crazy. Like, look at what looks way too crazy.
Damn, man. I don't know, but like, you could be trying to put me off a little bit, man. Every time I watch these mystery box videos, man, with something at a high price like that, usually the box is even more, you know. Oh, man.
This is only one pair.
What if there's like something crazy in there, man? Oh, man. Nah, I'm gonna
if there's something crazy, it's in my size anyway, right? So I'm size 12. You can either take the mystery box, resell it, do whatever, make your video, get rid of it, whatever.
Yeah.
Or take the cash and buy something that's in your size that you can also review. So I don't know what you're a 9.5 or 10 or something, aren't you?
Yeah. I'm a 9.5, bro.
So they're not going to fit you, right?
Yeah.
So you can keep it for whatever reason.
Yeah.
Or you can review it and get rid of it. These you can keep it because it'll be your size. It'll be whatever you buy.
Because what I'm worried about is that if I pass on the box, and even though the box isn't in my size or the shoe's in my size, like it'd still be worth more than 500. That's what I'm afraid of. That's what. But
this is guaranteed, man. This is guaranteed. You can get whatever you want in your size. You could get 350s. You could probably get the Volt Golds with that price range.
True.
You could probably get the Mockers if you looked hard.
Nah, but still, man. Well, what if the box? Nah, I always gotta stick with the box, man. I don't know. There's always some sneaky thing in there, man, that's worth more than the money. It's always usually like that, man. I watch too many of these mystery boxes, bro.
So there's no retail $500 shoe that I know of in Australia. But this is, it's not a shoe, it's a sneaker, but this is retail cost for me. So that's why I'm willing to put it up, because it didn't actually cost me too much, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get you. Oh, man. Oh, bro, I'm gonna respectfully...
You have to make up your mind now.
I'm gonna have to respectfully choose the mystery box, man. Because I guess I can always earn the money back and stuff, but the box... I think I'll probably have a regret if I don't choose it. I'm gonna choose the box, bro. Wait.
The box?
But You don't have to do this, man.
Me after.
You can't. You don't have to do this. Like if I choose something, bro, you know, it's okay, man. It's I feel bad doing this to you, bro. This guy.
No, man. It's like I said. They're not my type of shoe. They're not something that I'm gonna wear. They're just a bit too much for me. You know, I'm pretty plain Jane. Like, you know, you can see the colorways that I've got. They're all pretty basic.
Yeah.
Like I don't do anything too crazy, and this is just a little too crazy.
God, sometimes crazy is good, though. All right, man. I'm gonna choose a box, bro. Let's just do it, man. Or just do it. Just come on. Let's go.
All right, you choose a box. You can't message me. You can't message me. Oh, bro, can you swap it up? You know, whatever. And I'll put this cash straight back in the wallet.
Oh man. Nah. Let's do it, man. Let's just go do the box, bro. Let's do this box.
All right.
Oh man.
I can post this to you right now, or do you want to see what it is?
Nah, well, if it's gonna get to me anyway, I probably might as well see it now.
Okay.
Okay, oh, is that a Reebok? Reebok?
I don't know, bro. It's a weird way to spell Reebok.
Oh my god, is that SB? I saw it. This is SB, bro. That's SB, bro. That's SB. I saw it, bro. That's SB, bro. That's SB. That's SB's, bro. Yeah. All right. Oh, what?
All right. So now you know it's Nike
okay,
SB.
all right. Nah. Okay. This is good. All right. I'm kind of happy already, man.
It's in the special edition Nike SB box.
Okay.
One final offer. You can take the 500, or you can risk it knowing that you're going to get an SB.
Man, look, I don't even like SBs, bro, but I know...
Bro, that's pretty good. This is your last chance to swap.
Nah, SBs are worth more than that, bro. SBs are worth more than 500, bro. I'm sorry, man. I gotta choose SBs.
Right.
I don't, but even though I don't even know...
I can leave it like this, or I can post it to you, like, after I show you. It's up to you.
Nah, man, come on, man. Nah, come on, bro. Hey, stop teasing me with this guy, man. This guy's been teasing me the whole video, bro.
It's very hard for me to film with one hand. So, alright. Sorry for all the people that are watching this. Because you better be filming, right? You still filming?
Wait, let me check. Yeah, it's still filming,
yeah. Yeah, good.
Alright.
Do you want to see the size tag first, or you want me to just open it?
Nah, just show. I know it's a size 12, man. Just show me the thing. What is it, man? What is that? Oh, what the heck? Yeah, these were recent. Yeah, I can't remember the name. Oh, shit. But still, man, that's... What? Which one are they?
Sean Cliver.
Sean
Christmas edition.
Sean Cliver. What the hell? Oh, man, why is that name so familiar, man?
Wait, they just came out.
Wait, hold on. Wait, let me check which one it is. Hold up. Oh, what the heck? Bro, these are like these are $1,000, bro. Oh man, I just checked StockX and it's 1,000 Australian dollars, bro. Yeah, bro. Size 12. Yeah. Sheesh, yeah. Look, wait. Have a look, bro. Look. Oh wait, I need to switch my camera. Look, bro. SBs, bro. It's $1,000, bro. Yeah. Oh man.
Good thing you didn't choose that cash.
Yeah. I knew it. See, I knew it. I
was trying to keep a straight face the whole time. I was like, bro, this guy's getting stitched if he chooses the cash.
Oh man, what the heck? This is crazy, man. I never expected this video to. What the heck?
That's why I said you need to be filming, bro. I knew I had some heat up, and I said, all right, I'll reach out to Mark. Because I don't like. It's not that I don't want these. Like, hear me out. Like, I understand people. It's probably their favorite shoe and stuff. But for me, these are just a little bit too crazy. I like them. They're really good quality and all. Yeah. But they just like. I mean, have a go. Like, they're just a little bit too much. They're really cool. Yeah, bro. But man, I'd rather give them off to you because I'm only losing the retail price, right? Everyone's probably going, "Oh, that's such a loss." I only paid the retail, so that's why I was putting up the cash to try and sweeten it a bit. But yeah, man. Obviously you chose these, so you know you risked it and it pays off.
Yeah, bro. Far out, man. Oh man, I don't know. My head's spinning like with what is going on, man. I never expected it. Oh, let's say I've never actually held SBs in hand before because yeah, I don't really use them, but like just knowing that I don't know that the resale price is like really hyping me up right now. But like at least maybe this will change my mind about SBs or something, man. Maybe if I get them in hand and actually review them, man. So hey, bro, thank you so much, man. But oh sheesh, I feel like I'm taking advantage of you in some way, bro. Like,
bro, I only paid retail. That's what I'm saying. I know everyone watching, if you're still filming, they're probably thinking, oh, you know, he's basically giving them away. But I'm only paying the retail price. That's why I put the $500 up, right? Because that's more than the retail price. And yeah, it's nothing to me because I never really, you know, I didn't pay resale for them. I didn't have to fork out the crazy amount, and they just don't go with my style. I was lucky enough that I won the raffle, but yeah, I just thought they're probably better off either in your hands as a giveaway for a video if you want to give it away, or if you wanted to resell it, it's up to you. Yeah. You can make that video, but I just thought instead of me reselling it and getting $1,000, which would be nice, don't get me wrong, I thought I'll reach out to you. You're the only, well, one of the only Australian YouTubers I know that do like the sneaker streetwear sort of stuff. Yeah. I thought I'll reach out to you. You can at least make a video and then you can do with it whatever you want.
Fuck, bro. I'm like, man, like, all right, man. Thank you so much, man. Like, I'm flabbergasted, man. I don't even know what to say, bro. I'm like,
I know what I'm doing. I'm going to spend $500.
Oh man, my head's spinning about how to, but bro, thank you so much, Oscar, man.
That's all good.
Like, showing that freaking spirit, man. Oh, like, oh man, I got
Christmas spirit, brother. Christmas shit. Look at that.
Yeah, bro. Oh man, yeah, they look pretty nice, I guess. Yeah, they look pretty good, high quality and stuff. So I can't wait to get it in hand and actually see them for myself. But bro, that is crazy, man. Bro, next time you in Sydney, next time I'm in Sydney or you in Melbourne, man, hey bro, we gotta meet up, bro, man. Thank you so much for this, bro.
That's all right. And if things keep going well, maybe reach out for another video or something later down the line. Yeah, but man. I'll put these in the mail either Monday or Tuesday, and you know when they get to you, I suppose.
Oh yeah, bro. Yes, bro, yes. Oh man, I am so freaking happy that oh man, thank you for making my, this probably made my year already, man, just already, man. Oh,
what's the date? Like January?
I know, man, it's like 16 days in, man. Made my year. Yeah. Alright, bro, well, thank you so much, man. I don't know if there's anything else you want to say. Do you want to give a shout out to anyone or anything like that?
Nah, man, I just think if anyone's out there that's fortunate enough to get stuff, you know, either retail, sneakers, regardless, if you can pay it forward in any way and it makes your day or it makes their day and it doesn't cost you anything, I think that's the most important part. So if you can do something that doesn't cost you very much and makes someone else, you know, gives them more value than it does to you, then go ahead and do it.
Oh man, my man with the
write that down, bro. Write that down.
I got it, man. I got it. Don't worry, man. And it's on video anyway. I could always just like replay it.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, bro. Oh, all right, man. I'm gonna probably have to end the video here. But freaking thank you so much, bro. I'll talk to you a little bit later, man. We gotta stay in contact for sure, definitely, man.
Yeah. Let me know when they get to your place. I'll put them in the mail on Monday.
Yeah. Oh, wait. I just noticed that you wear a Cosmonauts t-shirt, bro.
Yeah, man. I'm always wearing them.
That's freaking sick, man. Yeah, I rock
I'm actually really hot in here. I need to crack a window or something. They're thick shirts. They're really good quality.
Man, like, yeah, I'm a major fan of Cosmonauts. So that too, man. Like, wow, we got so much in common, man. All right. Thank you so much, bro. And I'll see you whenever, man. Message me and I'll, like, definitely, man. We got to meet up sometime, bro.
Yeah. You can put them on Instagram, put them on your shelf, do whatever you want. They're yours.
Thank you so much. All right, bro. I'll see you soon.
No worries, man. Take care.
All right, laters. Yo, guys, guess what came in the mail today? Yeah, let's get it.